Hi friends, this video shows how to get rid of pop-up ads on Google Chrome browser. Let me open this Google Chrome, tap here, then tap on these three dots on top right corner, go to settings, then go down, tap on site settings, go down, and here you can see pop-up and redirects. So right now I have allowed pop-ups. See, tap here, I am going to block it. Just disable this option. Done. Then go back. See, now it shows pop-ups and redirects blocked. So this way we can block pop-up ads. And later if you want to unblock, again come here, just tap here, enable this option. So this way we can block and unblock pop-up ads. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.